Hey guys, Jarrett here from Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Right here we have one of our 2025 21-foot ice castles. So, start off over here, going around the entire length of the camper. We have our rock guard and our galvanized frame. Then this one does have the Arctic insulation as well. We have our fresh and our city water connections. Front tongue jack right here. Our dual 30-pound propane tanks, which we do fill up for you. Then we got our sewer valve access right there with a couple outdoor outlets. We got the nice white fiberglass siding going down. We got our 6-gallon gas and electric hot water heater. Tandem axles right here, and they are on the hydraulic lift, which are just controlled with this remote. Coming down here, we have our 30-amp plug-in. We got a hitch on the back with the 7-way plug. So you're in a state that allows it, you can bring a small trailer with a 4-wheeler, snowmobiles, maybe in the summertime a boat behind here. On this side we have our full-length electric awning with an LED strip and 2 really big windows. And that last part, got a couple more outlets over here for some summertime camping. Yeah, so that's the outside. I'll see you guys on the inside. Alright guys, now that we're inside, let's check out the back. So, going back there, we do have our electric fireplace. It's gonna work just like a Mr. Buddy heater in your pop-up fish house. Got our spot for a pretty big TV right there, so you can watch the Vikings while you're fishing. We got our sofas right here. So you're not really going to be able to fish on the far hole when the table's up. You can maybe get away with it right here, and they're set up where if you're sitting right there, your feet are going to be dangling over the hole. So if you sit across from it, you can still jig. Then we got our electric bunk up top, which just comes down like this. It's not the fastest, but it's going to get there. Why don't we do that? We got storage up above. Pan the camera over, it wraps all the way around. That's down enough for the video. We can look up there. So we got a queen size mattress. And we'll go ahead and put that back up. Alright, and for this back table, just wiggle it loose, pedestals come off, and these pop up nice and easy. And then you're going to have this back hole, sit over here, feet are going to be in the water, sit across from it, you can actually fish. Then when you drop that bed down, if you leave a couple feet, both these sofas will turn into a bed. There's going to be a gap about this big in the middle though, so it's not going to be one seamless bed. Then you got 4 holes right here. If you are fishing off the sofas, you can have some dead sticks over here, or if you're parked right on the break, you can fish shallow end down there, deep end over here. Got a little cupboard right here. You can fit rod case right here. Couple drawers. Then there's no handles on these, but if you can see on the bottom here, they cut out a groove that you can grip. And it's not really so much a cost saving thing as a weight savings thing. You don't want something that weighs 1,000,000 pounds on the ice. And then you got whole lights by every hole. During the day you can get white light if you got all the windows shut. Then at night you can have the blue light. Use it as a night light to walk through, or just if you want to fish while other people are sleeping. We got our kitchen pantry right here, another spot for a TV. So like I said before, you can watch the Vikings game on the back, set up another TV right here, then you can run your live scope up there, watch the fish. Got a big refrigerator on this guy. 3-burner cooktop, convection oven, microwave, and a lot of space to cook up that fish fry. And then the front V over here, we got our bunk beds. So up top there, actually I'll just set it up for you guys. This is just a nice little safety rail for whoever's sleeping up there. You just drop into the slot so you won't roll out if you're half in the bag. And this is gonna push up. And then there's a pin to lock it in place. So if you wanna fish during the day, you can also sit back there and use that hole. And then we got our bathroom in here with our 10-inch vent fan, stand-up shower, and our toilet. Yeah. So that's our ice castle. If you guys have any questions, give me a call. Again, I'm Jarrett, and this is Bowling RV.